Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Congratulations to all. FBR has issued circular in respect of extension in return filing for the tax year 2022. We see the circular here. Here you see extension in date of filing of income tax return for the year 2022. It is extended till 31st October 2022, and we see the circular as well. It is circular extension in date of filing of income tax return for the tax year 2022 till 31st October 2022. We open it. This is circular. Government of Pakistan Revenue Division, Federal Board of Revenue. Yesterday we see fake circular as well before 10 p.m. and it is decided on approx 10 p.m. by Mr. Ishaq Dar. This circular dated Islamabad the 30th September 2022. This is circular number, reference number, circular number 16 of 2022. Extension in date of filing of income tax return for the tax year 2022. In exercise of the power conferred under section 214A of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, the Federal Board of Revenue is pleased to communicate that the date of filing of income tax return for the tax year 2022 required to be e-filed by 30th September. The return of income tax is due on September 30th, 2022. It is extended up to October 31st. They gave us 1 month more time to file our return of income. In view of current flood situation in the country and requests from various trade bodies and tax bar, you can see the due date was 30th September and now it is extended up to 31st October 2022. And about under section 214A of income tax ordinance, it is condonation. Wait, I show you this section 214A. This is 214A, condonation of time limit, where any time or period has been specified under any of the provisions means the last date of return of filing is 30th September. Therefore, under any provision of the ordinance or rules made thereunder, within which any applications is to be made or any act or things is to be done, the board may at any time before or after the expiry of such time or period, in any case or classes of cases, permit such application to be made or such act or thing to be done. Through this section 214A, board has power to extend due date. Now you have time to file your return of income within October 31st, 2022. It is extension circular. Hopefully you understand it. If you have any questions, you may freely discuss in comment box. Thank you so much.